mini-WANNER zu befüllen,
To fill the mini WANNER, take the cylinder cap and put them on the filling pipe. Press from the top down and start filling. To see how full it is, you can pull the chain out as far as it will go and see how much is already filled. In this case, you can fill some more. When the mini WANNER is full enough, push the handle down and turn it 90 degrees. Finally, remove the mini WANNER and vent it via the air release valve so that the mini WANNER is ready for use. In order to easily lubricate difficult-to-reach places, you can loosen the knurled nut on the rigid feed tube and adjust the angle of the tube as desired. It is important that the connector excellent is placed straight on the grease nipple and angled for removal after the greasing process. More information and products for similar applications can be found on our website.